This is problem 8 of aircraft structures, and it's about structural repair on an aircraft. Damages to the airframe structures are many in terms of its seriousness. The slightest damage could affect the flight characteristics of the aircraft. Collision is often the result of carelessness by the ground maintenance personnel. It varies from minor damage, such as dented skin, to extensive damage. An example would be an aircraft taxiing, cargo loading. Corrosion. Corrosion can develop into permanent damage or failure if not properly treated in time. Fatigue. It is more noticeable as the aircraft accumulates flight cycles and hours. When a small crack is left unchecked, the crack gets critical as time goes by. Heat. Heat damage occurs when part or component is exposed to excessive high temperatures. Foreign objects. Foreign object damage can be caused by hand tools, bolts, rivets, and nuts left adrift during ground periods of the aircraft. It is due to strong suction of the inlet which gets sucked in. Excessive stress and loading. Excessive stress and loading damage is usually identified by loosened, sheared, or popped rivets, wrinkled skins or webs, and cracked or deformed structural members. Abrasion is the result of scuffing, rubbing, scraping with another surface. This type of damage is usually rough and has an irregular shape. Corrosion damage that is the result of a complex electrochemical action and gives a cross-sectional area change. Crack is a partial fracture or full break in the material that resulted in a significant cross-sectional area change. Dent is a damaged area that is pushed from its original contour with no change in the cross-sectional area. Crease is a damaged area that is depressed or folded back so that its boundaries are sharp or with well-defined lines or ridges. Scratches. Scratch will result in cross-sectional change caused by sharp object and characterized with sharp and irregular damaged edges. Puncture. It's a hole or puncture damage that goes fully through a part thickness and has no regular or irregular shape. Disbond is a separation of materials occurring due to an adhesive failure, while delamination is when the separation of piles occurs in a multi-laminate material. Damage assessment. Visual inspection continues to be an important element of maintenance programs. There are three types of visual inspection, which is surveillance inspection, general visual inspection, and detailed visual inspection. Lastly, NDI is the most reliable and economical way of performing structural inspection. NDI is also performed when the existence of suspected cracks or the full extent of apparent cracks in the structural members and parts cannot be accurately determined by the visual inspection.